thing that I think we need to measure is cash flow management, right? Cash flow management. In business, you would always need money. Money will be coming in and out of your business. Your account will be bustling, right? And everybody here who's been in business knows what I'm talking about. I mean, you have that big deal, 5 billion in your account, and you're happy for just 5 minutes, right? Because 5 minutes later, it might still be there, but now you can see where everything is going. So you want to manage cash flow properly. Ensure that the business always has as much money to keep going. Sometimes we're in a phase where we're expanding and, we're having to spend a lot of money. Just try to make sure that you're not broke, right? Because when a business is broke, we make terrible decisions. If a business has little to no cash, you make terrible decisions. You buy things that are more expensive than you should because the person knows that you don't have, if you needed to make a 10 million down payment and you end up making a 2 million down payment, you might maybe pay for longer, have more, and acquire the capital at a much more expensive rate, and the likes. So you want to make sure that you're managing all your suppliers, managing all your vendors, ensuring that at any point in time, you're able to meet your cash flow obligations. You're able to meet your payment obligations, rather. It's very, very important that you're able to do that because flow is like blood in a human's body, much like blood to a business. So if you think about the human being, I mean, big dreams, great dreams, going somewhere to happen, you're making a difference, it's changing the world. But if you have no blood, that future and you are not going to see each other, right? So it's very important that we ensure that we always have blood to run in our business. So money should never run dry. You should figure out a way to always be able to meet your obligations. So sometimes that means having a very special relationship with the person that runs your account, if it's not you, and it shouldn't be you, and ensuring that we're all, projecting and we're looking at our numbers to ensure that at every point in time, the business can meet its obligations.